I got this Loc comb. I heard about it on social media.
Oh, okay.
And I said, I gotta try it. See how it works on my Microlocs.
Everything they say, I understand. So I can speak the language.
My locks just came out of the bonnet. I have not sprayed it. We looking, it's been a little dry right now, but it's okay. I'm about to get it right with my spray, but I wanted to show what everything is looking like before I go in with this comb. This is actually my first time seeing it, so we gonna see it together for the first time because I wanted to have that element of surprise. The nice little baggie here, and this, oh, this is the comb. Okay, this is small. I don't know what I was expecting, but ain't what I was expecting. This is what it looks like on the website. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be bigger. It's all good. This is what the tip of the comb looks like up close, y'all. It's kind of round. It's pretty thick and round. Not a very big comb at all, but let's see if it packs a punch. First, I'm gonna spray my hair, but this is what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do one side just with my hand being finger detangled, because the whole reason why I got this in the first place was because I seen a post and somebody was saying that they have thick Microlocs. Whenever they're trying to put their hair in like a style, they feel like they're fighting with the hairs in the middle. So here's an example of what they mean. The hair on top, when you finger detangle it, because I'm gonna do this side. So when you finger detangle your locks, a lot of time, you know, you're starting at the top and you're kind of going through like this, but I'm spraying down this side of my hair so I can finger detangle, and this is how I would typically do it. This is what it looks like when I finger detangle it. I like to separate my hair because I have the same sort of issue that many people may have with the locks being thicker on the areas in the inside than the areas that are easily accessible, like the top. So I like to break it up to like 3 sections like that. I just did the bottom, I did the middle, and I kind of do the top and like the side. After I do that, this is what my locks look like on this side. Boom. Dramatically different than when we first started. This side is still not been sprayed or detangled or anything. For this side of my head, I'm going to use the comb. I'm going to start this how I would normally with a little spray, because I don't manipulate my locks unless they have a little bit of some moisture to it. Here's the comb. Now let's see what, okay. It's definitely easy to comb, y'all. Very, very easy. Do a little bit more spray. I didn't get the middle like I usually do, so let me be fair and impartial here. Now, I don't feel any snagging or anything like that, which is good. I like to make sure to mist my hair at the ends because that is the driest part of my locks. And I'm still combing, y'all. It's getting pretty flat though. Go to the top. So this is the side finger detangled and this is the side combed. Honestly, y'all, what do y'all think? I think that this side is laying a bit flatter than this side. What do y'all think? Let me know down below, but am I tripping? If the object of the game is to get my locks flatter and not so out there, I think this comb actually did that a lot better than me finger detangling my hair. This side here, it looks a lot more poofy and it has, to me, a bit more volume, but that's because my fingers can only really lay it down so much. Let's look at the back. And y'all gotta be the judge because I can't see back there. But from the front, it definitely is looking like the other side is a lot fuller. Like this side feels fuller to me. I think it's a matter of preference. Like, do you like a little bit more volume? Because this side to me has a lot more volume than this side. Now it is laying flat. It's like the slightest difference, y'all, but if you have thick hair, this might be a world of difference for you. Let's inspect the comb to see, do I have any hairs? I do see one little strand of hair there, which I don't think is bad because whenever I finger detangle my hair, I might get like a strand or so, but that is what is on the comb. It does not hurt to comb my locks with this, y'all. It is literally just a glide. It doesn't even feel like I'm doing anything, but a lot of people say they like this also for the massaging aspect, and I'm thinking they're saying because it has that round ball like type of shape in the tip that your scalp is getting a little bit more stimulation. Do I still think that you can do that with your fingertips? Yes, all you need to really do is like do this. But overall, did it do what I expected it to do? Yes. Do I think that you must have it? No, not necessarily, but it depends on what it is that you are experiencing with your locks. Do you have an issue trying to sleek it down, trying to get it to lay flatter? If that is an issue that you have, I think that this might be something you want to look into. Because I am getting ready to go to the gym, I'm going to also use this to help me style my hair real quick. I don't do nothing fancy for the gym, y'all. I just literally put my hair in a little bun, clip, and then I keep it moving. This ain't a fashion show, but I'm gonna use this while I style my locks so I can see how much easier it would have been. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side here too. Give it a little bit more spray. Now when I go to the gym, I like to just put my hair back. I want it out of my face. I don't really care if everything is so cute looking, but I'm gonna show you what I do. So this comb is already coming in handy for me already because there's certain things like this part right here I would have been trying to finger detangle and smooth it all in one direction, but the comb did it. So I'm just taking my hair. I like to split it kind of, pull it to the back like this, as you can see. And then I like to do the same thing with this side. You gotta multitask when you do this because you're trying to hold the hair and maneuver the other hairs at the same time. And oh, okay. This is really helpful with that because like I said, I only got one hand and this is how I usually do it. I'm not even lying to you guys. Try to get that hair that's in the back that I never am able to get. That definitely helped it lay flatter. Then I take my little scrunchie and then I literally just do a little whoop-de-whoop. Boom, that's that. When my hair is on the side, they be coming loose sometimes. I literally just be tucking it like this, y'all. I grab a clip just like this. The next thing I like to do is take my hair and I literally just kind of fold it up like this. And the hair that I put in like that ponytail, the little low ponytail I had, it's already secure. And this is what I'm looking like from the sides. And I just have the hair grabbed in my hand, as you can see. I take my clip and I literally just clip it. The whole point is to get the hairs in the clip. They ain't gotta be perfect, but this is what it looks like once I'm done. It keeps my hair out of my face. If you don't like the hair sticking up, you can literally just take whatever hairs, like I see one sticking up right here, just take the hairs and just kind of like twirl them or something. And then, like as you can see, I got it twirled, so just tuck it back in the clip. And that's that. Presentable. It looks like I did something to my hair. As you can see, the hairs here on the side are laid down flat. That's all it is to it, y'all. I really don't do a lot. I just try to keep my hair out of my face and off of my shoulders, and this helps. I definitely think this lock comb was really good with helping maneuver the hair into like a more manipulated bun type style. Usually I have a lot more issues trying to finger detangle and hold my hair at the same time, but this actually helped guide my locks into the direction I needed it to go a lot better. Overall, I can definitely see myself using this a lot more in the future, so you may see this more in some future videos. Also, if you found this video to be helpful or even entertaining, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps. The algorithm helps me out too. I will link this down below if you're interested in purchasing it. I got it from Amazon and it was very inexpensive, y'all. I will link my Microloc playlist after this video so you can see my whole lock journey if you want. And thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye bye.